everyone, I am Nada from class 8CB2 with my co-partners Prashakha, Sarfaraz and Mahima. We are working on this project named Motion Detecting System using PIR sensor. Now, to tell the components of this project, I would like to call Mahima.
Hi, I am Mahima. I would like to tell about the components used in this project. First, the PIR sensor to detect the motion and the buzzer to alert and microcontroller UNO. And now to tell about the connection of this project, I would like to invite Sarfraz.
Hi, myself Sarfraz from class 8CB2. Today I will tell you about the connection of this project. Firstly, this is PIR